Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am good to show guys Lava mobile guys face lock full setting. How to set up face lock in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to use Lava mobile face lock settings, and how to set up, how to use one by one, step by step we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Open your Lava mobile phone setting friends. After on phone settings friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends, click here security setting. After on security setting friends, click here password setting. Friends, you want to set face lock, friends click here face lock setting, and friends select your lock screen password first. So first you will have to set lock screen password, then friends you can start face lock in your Lava mobile. So friends, I will use pattern lock, and friends this pattern friends I will use for my face lock. And friends, remember your password, and friends click here done option, more option, and friends you can see no thanks, I agree. Friends click here, and friends click here start option, and friends show your face on this frame. After show face friends, you can see all set, looking good, done option, click here, and friends now you can use face lock on your Lava mobile. Friends, lock your screen. Friends, you want to unlock your phone, so friends swipe here, and friends show your face on lock screen, and friends you can unlock your Lava mobile. And friends, you can draw your pattern, you can unlock your phone, show your face, phone unlock automatic friends. So like that friends, we can use face lock setting, we can use face lock, we can set up face lock in Lava mobile. And friends, you don't want to use Lava mobile face lock, so then how to remove face lock, let's see. First of all, again open your Lava mobile phone setting. After on phone setting and scroll it, security setting, password setting, face lock setting, draw device pattern. You want to remove face lock, friends you can remove, you can delete face lock from here. And friends, you don't want to use lock screen password, so friends if you remove lock screen password friends, face lock automatic delete. You will have to delete face lock permanently, delete. And friends, you cannot use Lava mobile face lock, you cannot use lock screen password, you can swipe, you can unlock your phone without any face lock, without any password. Again friends, you want to use face lock setting, lock screen setting. First friends, you will have to set lock screen password, then friends you can start face lock in your Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.